Good day guys, welcome back to this YouTube channel. This is the Wealthy Embassy FX. So guys, on today's episode we're going to be talking on the Btcusd. So as usual, we're going to move down to the monthly time frame to look to do our top down analysis and see the current trend of the market. So as you guys can see, the market is still bullish in the monthly time frame. And why is it still bullish? Because the market is still currently above the previous higher low. The previous higher low, the market is still above it, and which I said from the last week analysis, and I'm going to be adding the link of the last week analysis in the description box. Make sure you go click on it to watch the full analysis on last week analysis on BTC. So guys, as you guys can see, and you can see already that the market is already rejecting upward from this level here, which is very important. We're going to see much more of that in the lower time frame. So we're going to move to the weekly time frame. Now from the weekly time frame, you can currently see that after the market ranged there and broke out from every level it had to broke out from. Remember I said from the monthly time frame that the market is still bullish. But on the weekly time frame, the market became bearish. But we sold the market, but that doesn't mean that we keep on selling the market. No, we sold the market, but we still have to pay respect to the fact that the monthly time frame is still bullish. So we're still going to focus on the bullish aspect as long the other time frame are playing out or trying to correspond with the higher time frame. So as you guys can see already, the market is already rejecting from this level here. You can see this level, the market is already rejecting upward. You can see after this market, this candle got here rejected, this one rejected, and this one rejected. This is the third time, third touch, the market rejected up from this level, showing us that the buyers are coming into the BTC market gradually. So from the weekly standpoint, the market is telling us that the buyers are coming in. So we're going to move to the daily time frame. Now from the daily time frame perspective, and also before I move to the daily time frame, there's one thing I would love to share with you guys. Again, it is very much more important, which is the fee retracement. You know, after the breakout from this level, after the market created higher low, equal highs, then break the equal lows to the downside, then what are we expecting? We're expecting what? A lower high and a lower low. So if we should take this fee retracement from this level here, to this level here, you see that the 0.50 fee retracement lies in this level here. So which we are expecting the market to get to this level and tell us the next thing that we ought to do. So you know, remember, after a great impulse, there's a correction. This impulse to the downside, there ought to be a correction to the upside. That's what makes the downtrend a good downtrend. It's a good downtrend. So we're going to move down to the daily time frame now. So having that in the back of our mind, we'll move down to the daily time frame. So guys, as you can see on the daily time frame, there's one thing I want to tell you guys. When the market ranged in the forex market, when the breakout happened, the first level that is created after that breakout is going to act as a key resistance level. If it's a selling market and the breakout happened, that's going to act as a key resistance level. If it's a buying market and it reached up and there was a breakout to the upside, the first level that was created is going to also act as a key support level. So that's why you see the market is still reacting on this particular support level, right? On that particular support level. So if I let me take my fee from here first, and again, perfect. And again, I can also see that from the daily time frame, the market is currently reacting the market is currently reacting on the 0.50 Fibonacci retracement on the daily time frame, and that also lies the first resistance level that was created after the breakout from this range. This was the first level that was created, and you can see the market retested there the first time, the second time, and now it's pushing to the downside, right? So it's very important that we pay attention to that. It's very important that we pay attention to that. But we're going to get it more clear when we get to the 4 hours time frame. Now, when we get to the 4 hours time frame, because I don't just want to drop into quick conclusion that the market will start selling. No. I don't want to just drop into that, because you can see from the 4 hours perspective very clearly that the market is ranging. After the great impulse to the upside that point, it rejected to the downside, which we're expecting much more put to the downside. The market rejected from here to the upside, creating equal highs, right? Equal highs, yes. Then came down here. So we're expecting this market to break this level here to the upside, but the market was still finding it difficult, because remember, from the daily time frame, this level here is the first resistance level the first key level that was created after the breakout from the ranging. And also here also lies the 0.50% retracement fib. So guys, and after the market got here, the market started ranging. So I only have two things in mind: either it break downward for below this trend line, we test on it below the trend and the level, we test on it and continue going selling to the downside. Here should be your first TP. You see that, right? So that's the first thing. Or it breaks to the upside, not just breaking this trend line but also breaking this level. So breaking the trend line is a confirmation, but breaking the level is a more confirmation, is a more better confirmation, because you can see every time market gets to that level, the market rejects to the downside. So this is the analysis I want you guys to watch out for on Btcusd. You have to be very patient, guys, very patient. You have to be very patient. You can see the whole week, look at what the market did. The whole week, look at what the market did. It's ranging. I know those who are trading the lower time frame cashed out, but looking at it from the overall, like the higher time frame perspective, you can literally see that the market is in a chaos. So all you need to do is just simply stay out from this market, keep your hands, wait for the market to fulfill or do technical level one of a few, and then you start trading. Let the market give you a clear direction and you start trading. You hear me, guys? So love you guys, trade safe and stay safe, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe. And also I will also add the previous link analysis on the description box. Make sure you go watch it, like, share and subscribe. I love you guys. Peace out.